Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply create a Chewy account from your mobile device? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store depending on the device you are on, and simply go ahead and search for Chewy. If you haven't already downloaded it, click on this application, download and install it onto your device, and now click on open. All you need to do is simply go ahead and click on allow, click on the account icon that is on the bottom right of your screen, and now click on sign in or create account. Once you've done that, it's going to take you to this pop-up window right over here. And on this pop-up window, all you want to do is simply go ahead and enter your email address and click on continue. It's going to ask you to create a password and click on continue after creating a password. And finally, once you've done that, it's going to go ahead and send you a verification code to that Gmail address, and all you need to do is enter that back and your account will be ready. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button.